to fix TikTok's strict feature not showing. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let's open the TikTok app on our mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, go to the inbox messages in TikTok and look for a streak icon next to a friend's chat. If you don't see it, TikTok may not have rolled it out for your account yet, or your streak has just been disappeared because you are not that active with your TikTok account or sending TikTok to your friends. Just make sure that you send TikTok from the both sides and it will appear in no doubt, unless you do not have any app version issues or limited rollout. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.